Start by purchasing a Tracfone device or SIM kit from retailers like Walmart or online. Ensure it's unlocked and compatible with Verizon's network. Collect your account details from your current carrier, including account number, PIN or password, and the last four digits of your SSN or billing address. Open the Tracfone app or visit the website and start the porting process. Enter the details from your old carrier and the new device's IMEI or SIM number. Pay any activation fee. Submit the information and wait for confirmation. The porting process routes your number through networks and databases, which typically takes a few hours to a day. After activation, test your phone by making a call or sending a text to ensure everything is working correctly. If problems occur, use the Tracfone app or website with updated AI guidance. Live chat is prioritized for faster support. Common issues are incorrect account info or unpaid balances. Double-check before submitting.